How to get free TEMU gift card codes. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can get free TEMU gift card or promo codes. The first thing you want to do is open up any web browser and search for TEMU coupon code. Now, you will find different websites that is going to offer you the TEMU promo or coupon codes. You can basically tap on any one of these. Make sure you select a reliable website. I have opened up couponfollow.com. Now, you're going to find different TEMU offers over here. If you want to get more details, tap on the See Details option. Now, here you want to basically check out the details and also the expiry date of this coupon code. If everything looks good, go ahead and tap on the Copy option. Now, you can tap on Redeem at TEMU, which is going to bring you to TEMU.com, and you can redeem this code in the TEMU website, or you can also open up the TEMU app on your device. If you don't have this, you can download it from Play Store or App Store. Now tap on the U tab, then tap on Coupons and Offers. Now tap on this box and simply paste the code that you have copied. Now tap on the Apply option over here. Now once you do that, this code is going to be applied over here, and that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.